Hi everybody, I hope you had a great Easter weekend. Today is Monday, April the 13th, and I thought I'd bring you a quick stats video for the Guelph housing market and also the Kitchener-Waterloo, the Waterloo region housing market. If you viewed the last videos that I did for March of 2020, the market was still hot, but I had predicted that things would obviously slow down for April. So for the first 12 days in April, I just wanted to give you a little snapshot as to what's happening. So with that said, for Guelph, there are 56 new listings in April, and there are 21 new sales. So we're seeing a lot more listings coming out than we are sales, but those numbers in general are very low relative to last year, even the listings. With that said, with regard to the homes that are actually selling, the median days on market is still quick. Like, the homes are still selling quick for the ones that are selling at 9 days average on market. The sale price to list price ratio is 99.25%. So for those 21 homes that have sold in Guelph in April so far, on average, they're getting 99% of list price. Now, with that said, if we look at the first 12 days in April of this year relative to the first 12 days in April last year there were over 5 times more sales than this year. So far this year, like I said, 21 sales, and last year at this time period, there were 104 sales. So obviously the market's dramatically slowed down, but somewhat surprisingly, the sales prices are still actually pretty high. Okay, now we look over to Waterloo region, same story, 222 new listings in April so far this year, and 124 sales. So more than 3 times the sales, 3 times the listings relative to the sales. Median days on market is 9 days for the homes that have sold, and the sale to list price ratio is 100.11%. So just over list price is what the homes that are selling for. The ones that have sold, that's what they're selling for. Relative to April of last year, there are 3 times more listings last year than this year. So again, the market has slowed down dramatically, naturally given COVID-19, but so far the sales prices for the homes that have sold are still actually quite good. So what'll be interesting to see is over the next month to month and a half, all of those homes that are for sale out there right now that haven't sold, are those sellers going to get a little desperate or eager to sell and start dropping their prices? And will we see the sale prices coming down a little bit over the next month, maybe 2 months? Time will tell. It's hard to know right now. Most importantly, we're staying safe and we're staying home. So thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.